So, wasn't planning on making a video. Alright, we'll go straight. But it is wet outside. So why not go slide the car a little bit? So a full POV on the F10 M fizzle real quick before I go to church, because I am on the way to church. But I was like, bro, it's wet outside, come on, let's go sliding. Pretty soon it will not need to be wet. We do have something coming that will turn up the car. It's still gripping, no way. There's no way it's still gripping, bro. What? Let's see. Still gripping, wow. This car grips so much, it's crazy. Even in the wet. We already started the video. Might as well push it a little bit. That shit went to second and just gripped. Once it grabs second gear, it just boogies. Alright. At least give you guys a POV, right? But yeah, I'm heading to church in a bit. After this car, we'll try and kick it out. Let's see. Grip Nation. These tires are absolutely amazing, bro. I wonder how amazing they will be when I'm stage 2. Take it through the corners. Let a duck. That's not a duck. Let a bird. Alrighty. I'ma just head to church. I saw the rain and I was like, well, yay, it's raining. Let's go sideways. But the M5 is like, no, no sideways. It's fun, but once it's stage 2, it will be way more fun. Because I have a great time when a car is spinning up the tires. That's what I love. But it is fun. It grips really good. Oh my gosh. It's like it's spinning, gripping, spinning, gripping, spinning, gripping. Well, that's when the danger side does come, because when a car grips, it spits you in any direction that the wheel is turned. So you gotta be on it. One last slide, and I'll go to church. Of course, the boy's going to church, because if it wasn't for God, I wouldn't have life. I dedicate my life to God, man. I love Jesus more than I love cars. Excited to see him one day. Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna go to church. The video might have been short. I apologize, but the M5 doesn't want to spin. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, it's about to go in fuel reserve, so it's gonna be even slower. I'll see you guys in the next one. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm awake, Lord, have your way in me. I give you my soul.